Good morning to everybody. Today we are going to see regarding PSP loans 59 minutes. So you can ask, sir, I am going daily or I have gone for 3 months or 4 months. Still I am not getting any loans. So everybody is to tell that I am going loan. Bank is rejecting my loan. They are not telling. They are telling next week or this week. And then we will check with our regional office or we'll check with our zonal office or head office like that. They are telling and they are not sanctioning my loan. So like this commands went to our central government and they decided to launch a digital center, that is www.psploans in 15minutes.com. It means in November 2018, central government has formed this PSP loan in 59 minutes. So it means that within 59 minutes, less than 1 hour, you will get your sanction, in principle sanction. In that in principle sanction, you take printout and go to the bank that you have chosen and you can tell, sir, I have got my in principle sanction. So I want these are the loans. So kindly proceed. If they cannot now reject because they have to reply to the online portal because your central government is monitoring all the time. Your bank, how many loan is giving, how many loan is it is rejecting. When you are giving in paper in hand, they will miss it or they will throw away somewhere or miss something. It may happen. So in order to avoid that, government has put this digital center for sanctioning any loans. If you see, any public sector bank or private sector bank has to sanction within 59 minutes. That in principle sanction you will get. For this, you have to have two things. One is email ID. You must have a valid email ID. You must have a mobile number. With this email ID, you will get all the correspondence. What they are telling your application, where it is pending, what are the documents bank is asking, what are the documents you have submitted. All the records will be coming. In mobile also, you will get OTP for any verification. This is mainly for enhancement of any limit or new venture. Suppose I am having a open cash credit facility. I am running a textile. I am having a open cash credit of 20 lakhs. I want to increase. I want to put another unit. So I need another 20 lakhs or 50 lakhs. When I ask a bank, they are telling that my collateral is not sufficient, or they will check with the zonal office. There will be some reason. So they are declining. At that time, if you put in digital media and if you then turnaround time, that means TAT, the bank has to submit its reply whether to give the loan or not. So if you see, for new enhancement of any limits, term loan or working capital or anything or new venture. So any new venture, new business you want to do. This is also mainly divided into two categories. One is for retail sector, another is for MSME sector. For retail sector, of 1 lakh to 1 crore. So suppose I want to build a house for 1 crore, but my eligibility, they will check the eligibility. They will not give some simply 1 crore, but I will ask 1 crore. They will check my eligibility. According to that, they will arrive. Oh no, you have asked 1 crore, but your eligibility this much, 50 lakhs or 70 lakhs. So this will be sanctioned. In the principal sanction ticket, the details will be coming. In retail sector, personal loan, home loan, education loan, car loan, mortgage loan, or salary loan. These will be covering. So according to that number of years, everything you have to give your input. You have to submit your documents. You have to fill the application. According to that, you will be generating. It will be generating the sanction ticket for you. So if this is retail sector, personal loan, a home loan maximum if you take 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs, 50 lakhs, car loan if you take 10 lakhs or 15 lakhs. But the range is 1 lakh to 1 crore. For MSME, 1 lakh to 5 crore, according to 1 lakh to 5 crore, because it's a business, it involves a lot of people, manpower, material, machinery. So 1 lakh to 5 crore. This is classified under two, like term loan. Term loan means for building of construction of building for the business area, you have to submit your estimation. If you want to purchase any machineries, you have to submit your quotations. Working capital, open cash credit, overdraft facility also it will be available. And a combination of term loan and working capital also. From this PSP loan 59 minutes, less than 1 hour you will be getting. So Mudra loan, PMEGP also you can apply through this. In order to apply this, you must have these are the documents like 3 years audited balance sheet you must have, and GST registration you must have. If you are not having GST registration, don't worry. There will be a box. In the box, there is GST is exempted, or so manually you can. That's a column. You have to click this column and you have to put GST registration no. So then the application will go. 6 month bank statement you must have. You must have KYC, PAN card, Aadhaar card, and the details under. You must have in PDF format. Project report and CMA. The project report consists of whether I am going to ask term loan or working capital or combination of term loan. These are the things you will be having the project report, amount, everything you will be having. Then you must have a estimation if you want to construct it. If you want to purchase any machineries, you must have a quotation. These are the main things you must have in PDF in order to apply. This 59 minutes will take for you to apply and process the applications. So if you do quickly within 15 minutes, you will be getting your in principle sanction. By this, you can go to the bank and get the real sanction. Then fill application, basic profile, your name, education, where you are from. These are the details they will be asking. Contact details. It will ask present address and permanent address. In Aadhaar card, I am having my permanent address of Thothukudi or Tirunelveli, but I am working in Chennai. So you must have proof for Tirunelveli, your hometown, and also your Chennai. And if you see basic profile, contact details, employment details, and income proof, everything you must have it. Then if you see loan details, how much loan you want, how much you are going to do, these are the things you must have it. Then bank account details, you must choose the bank. I am having a bank of SBI or Canara Bank, but I am also having in IOB. So you can choose Canara Bank or IOB or SBI. But my home, near my home, there is KVB or Lakshmi Villas Bank. You can apply to that bank also. If you are not having the account number also, you can check. So, this checking, if you are putting this 3 years IT, it will check whether the IT is correct or not, and it will verify. According to that, you will be getting the loan according to the loan type 60 times, 36 times, 20 times, 12 times. So everything will be getting 6 month statement. So it will check monthly you are getting salary or not, because in order to pay the EMI monthly you are having payment. If you are having business, 10 debit transaction, 10 credit transaction, you're paying amount to somebody, purchasing material, he is, and then you are making the product and giving to somebody, he is giving to you credit. So debit credit in a month at least 10 to 20 times, 20. So it will be some categories there. No, I am doing construction activity, for completing construction activity will take 3 months or 4 months for asking one bill. So there is a chances of less debit credit, but it's not an issue. This is the thing that it will check in the system. According to checking, it will generate your in principle sanction. So basic profile, contact details, employment details, how much you are getting income, what is the profit you got in 2018 or 19 or 20, bank account, everything it will ask. After that, it will generate. Why the advantages is turnaround time. You will reduce the turnaround time. You don't need to go daily to the bank. Bank will come to you when you apply in this. Bank will come to you. They will call you to close because they have to sanction or they have to close it. Not to close it, they have to give proper justification. So they will call you for getting the applications. So quick, it's a quick process, and documents verification also very speedy, and you will be getting and easy, and you can choose a bank. So now you can choose a bank, whether which bank I have to go. Okay, this bank is good, it is near to me, I can go daily for transaction. If anything, I can go to the bank. So you can choose a bank, and if any reason or rejection, they have to give clearly why the reason is rejection. For rejection, so central government is keenly watching how this bank is rejected. If there is 100 application came, only one or two only sanctioned, 98 is rejected, then bank has to give reason for rejection, because 98 they cannot reject. If it is like 98 they have sanctioned, two only rejected, it is acceptable. But only two sanctioned, 90 is rejected, then they are responsible. So you don't worry, this is the best method, it is being now followed. So you apply in www.psploans in 15 minutes, 59minutes.com. Within 1 hour you will get the sanction ticket. Then you go to the bank and give all the details. Whenever you go to bank, take a xerox, because you take a xerox and you submit it. If you submit without taking any xerox, bank will tell, if they tell, why we didn't receive this and that, anything, anytime you keep one side record at home, at any point of view, it will be helpful for you. So apply in this and get loan and do business and do wonder, and I hope that you will succeed in life. Thanks a lot. Best wishes.